In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice with Speechify. To get started, open your browser and go to Speechify. Once you're on the platform, you'll want to head into your library if you already have a previously generated audio project there. This makes it easier to access the voice settings from an existing project instead of starting from scratch. From your library, click on the project you want to open. After the project loads, look for the profile icon connected to the voice that's currently being used. Click on that icon, and then select the option to explore all available voices. From there, choose the Clone Voice option to begin the voice cloning process. At this point, Speechify will give you two ways to create your voice clone. You can either record your voice directly or upload an audio file. Recording your voice is the most recommended option because it usually gives you a cleaner and more accurate result, especially if you're doing this for the first time. Next, enter your full name, then click the option to sign and record. After that, click Continue to move forward. You'll then see the option to start recording. When you're ready, begin recording your voice clearly and naturally. Try to speak in a quiet environment with minimal background noise, since that can improve the quality of the final clone. Once the recording is finished, you'll have a chance to review it. If you're happy with how it sounds, you can preview the recorded voice and continue. If not, you can start again and make a better recording before moving on. When everything sounds right, click Continue. Now type in a name for your new voice and choose a gender. This helps organize the voice inside your account and prepares it for use in future projects. Then click Continue one final time. After that, Speechify will begin generating your clone voice, and all you need to do is wait for the process to finish.